Imagine a world where thoughts, emotions, and ideas flow seamlessly across borders and boundaries. A world where the collective energy of humanity merges into a unified force. This is the captivating concept of a unified global consciousness. It suggests that our minds are not isolated entities but rather interconnected nodes in a vast and intricate network. For centuries, philosophers and spiritual thinkers have explored the idea of interconnectedness. Now, in the 21st century, science and technology are providing new tools to investigate this intriguing possibility. The implications of a globally unified consciousness are profound, touching upon everything from our understanding of the universe to the future of humanity. As we delve deeper into this concept, we begin to unravel the fascinating connection between our individual experiences and the collective tapestry of human consciousness. Perhaps as we learn to better understand and harness this interconnectedness, we can unlock new levels of human potential and create a world that reflects the best of humanity.
In the heart of this exploration lies the Global Consciousness Project, a pioneering scientific endeavor that has been running for over 2 decades. The GCP utilizes a network of random number generators strategically placed around the globe. These RNGs generate sequences of unpredictable numbers, much like digital coin flips. The project's premise rests on a simple yet profound question. Can major global events, moments of shared human experience, influence the output of these random number generators? Surprisingly, the answer appears to be a cautious yes. During times of heightened global attention, such as natural disasters, terrorist attacks, or even moments of global celebration, the GCP has documented statistically significant deviations in the RNG data. While the exact mechanisms by which our collective consciousness might influence these machines remain a mystery, the GCP's findings offer compelling evidence that we are more interconnected than we may realize. These findings challenge us to reconsider the boundaries of our individual minds and acknowledge the potential influence of our collective thoughts, emotions, and intentions on the world around us.
To fully grasp the concept of a unified global consciousness, we must first grapple with the elusive nature of consciousness itself. Despite centuries of philosophical inquiry and decades of neuroscientific investigation, consciousness remains one of the most profound mysteries of the universe. How does the 3-pound organ we call the brain give rise to subjective experience, self-awareness, and the feeling of being alive in the world?